3 is 5% of what number? Go ahead, let x equal the number, right? So I'm just going to replace that by x, right? Of means times as the multiplication. Bring down to 5%, bring down to 3 is means equals in math. So let's rewrite this over. 3 equals 5% times x. So get 5% into decimal. 5%. 5 is a whole number. That means it has a decimal point in the back. It's just imaginary. Go ahead and move it over twice, because whenever you're dividing by 100, which is percent means to divide by 100, go ahead and move it over twice. So it's going to be 5, right? Moving over just decimal place over 1, 2, twice. And then replace the empty swing by a 0 and the final decimal. 0.05 times x equals 3. Divide on both sides the 0.05, x equals. Now 0.05 divided by 0.05, it cancels out, you get left with x. Now let's find out 3 divided by 0.05. Go ahead and switch over the decimal over twice, 2 places, to make this a whole number. Your divisors must always be a whole number. Do the same with the whole number inside. If the whole number is on inside, the imaginary decimal is behind it. Go ahead and move that over 2 places to reflect the change in your divisor. Replace empty swings by zeros. So now we read this as 0.5 divided by 300. Whenever you have zero numbers, zeros in front of your non-zero numbers, just go ahead and rewrite it without the zeros in front of your non-zero number. 5 goes into 300. Let's see how many times. 5 doesn't go into 3, but 5 does go into 30 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. Bring down 0. 5 into 0 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. Subtract, which is 0, and then x equals 60. Go ahead and rewrite x on your left hand side, rewrite the number on your right hand side, and your final answer is 60.